How to use the split tool in CapCut. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut and import your video. After you have imported your video, drag it at the bottom and take your head wherever you want to split and click on split at the top. As you can see, you can also click on Ctrl+B on your keyboard and it will split. If you want to delete the front or delete the last page, you can delete it. You can also select delete left and it will delete left side of the head, and you can also click on delete right, which will delete right side. You can also split at the middle and then click on import again and import a new video or picture. After you have clicked on it, click on open and then drag it at the bottom. You will be able to add the video or picture in the middle after you're splitted it. And this is how to use the split tool in CapCut. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.